Everyone was born as a puppeteer. As people grew up, they let this talent fade out. We established PuppetART as a place where we can intertwine three venues of activities. Those are Puppet Theater, the Puppet Museum, and Puppet Studio. All our shows based on folk tales, folklore, legends, from different corners of the world. And we're setting up here in our museum, which describes some artifacts and traditions of that culture where story came from. And after the performance, we have puppet making workshop. As we set up this place, we started to work with teachers and educators and develop the programs for schools, for students and for teachers as well. I left Russia as the director of Puppet Theater. Although I didn't have any hopes to continue that professional life here, as soon as we more or less settled down, just to fill up these free evenings, free nights from work, we started to make some puppets and dream of performances. When we're trying to put together activities in all three venues, theater, studio, and museum, and they always tie together some theme from the story, the type of the puppets used in the show, they all tie together. That create a very special, unique experience.
Produced by Michigan Television in partnership with the Michigan Council for Arts and Cultural Affairs and the Michigan Humanities Council.